Los Angeles heat can make every drive uncomfortable. When your air conditioning is not working properly, if your vehicle is blowing warm air or your cabin is not cooling the way it should, bring it to Hector's Auto Repair for professional auto AC repair and service. Our experienced team helps restore the comfort you need behind the wheel. For quality service and European vehicle expertise, trust Hector's Auto Repair, your European specialist in Los Angeles. Visit 7020 South Vermont Avenue. Call 323-750-3300. Hector's Auto Repair. Cool comfort starts here.